Sam and Valerie have been conflicted over their 3,000 square foot centrally located mid-century modern home ever since the day they found themselves buying it.
We were forced into the decision to buy this home because the house we were going to buy became flooded.
It's a blessing that the house flooded. It wasn't a house for us. This is our house. This house has great lines, hardwoods everywhere. It's clean, it's minimal, with an acre so close to downtown. It really is a dream.
Valeria was very excited about it, of course, because she's a mid-century home person. For me, I'm more of a traditional home person.
Sam started really complaining about it from day one.
What better time?
So having lived in the house for a couple of years, the problems with the house just got bigger. The closet space, the kitchen, the bathrooms.
Of course, there are a few things in the house that need to be changed, but the real problem is Sam's afraid of getting started on renovation.
I hate renovations.
We haven't done any yet, so how do you know you hate it?
The thought of renovations, the time, the hassle, the inconvenience, doesn't work for me.
It's time to go. The kitchen is ridiculous. Because of the U-shape and the head-level cabinets, I feel like I'm a short-order cook. I might as well just put the bell on the cabinet and ring it. The renovations that are required for the kitchen, who has time for that?
I get the problems with the kitchen, but hey, we'll just fix those things.
We do have a guest bedroom on the first floor. We want to have a bedroom for our parents if they need to come visit, but they have to live with the laundry room, and the bathroom doesn't have a door.
But an open bathroom, that's a little ridiculous.
We just get somebody to put in a door.
My master bedroom has a lot of space, but I have 2 small closets, and I have a lot of clothes. Valerie has a whole bedroom devoted to her clothes.
I think I deserve a better closet space.
Yikes. This is an interesting house.
This is phenomenal.
I would change
Your shirt. That would be a good plan.
hilarious.
You think there's a sightline issue here?
Just a slight one. More of that bad design thing going on.
No, it's not a bad design, it's just old cabinetry.
Ah. Oh, the laundry and freezer.
It's fine.
It's next to the bedroom.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean, who wants a laundry room right next to their bedroom?
this is obviously a guest room, right? If you have a guest who stays the occasional weekend here and there, you make sure you're not doing laundry.
Hey, they have a bathroom over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, other than not having a door.
Oh, master bathroom, horrible, horrible. I'll fix it.
Not good.
Ha! She has her own dressing room. You're in trouble so far as I can tell, but let's keep going. Maybe there's a surprise.
I hope so. This is a definite redo. So what do we got now? We got 2 bad bathrooms and a bad kitchen. That's a lot of money, though, right? That's an expensive fix, correct?
Oh, yeah.
We've been through your house, and it is an extremely unique house.
All right.
All right.
But obviously there are some issues, otherwise we both wouldn't be here.
That's right.
Yes.
That's right.
So, what's the must-have list to get you out of this house?
It's got to be move-in ready. 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a large updated kitchen, large master bath. We've got to have a garage. It needs to be in this neighborhood.
This is a tough neighborhood.
Yes, I know, David.
Because there's not a lot for sale.
I don't want to move.
I know you don't. I've done an evaluation on your house, and the current value is $575,000.
Okay.
What is the budget for the big house that you're looking for in this neighborhood?
$675. Then I wish you the best of luck.
You see how sincere
Thank
that
you.
was? I love this house. I totally understand what you need from me. Tell me what I have to do to make it perfect.
Okay. Renovate kitchen, expand master bathroom, add storage space to the master bedroom, renovate upstairs bathroom, renovate downstairs bathroom, adjust the guest space to make it ready for my mom, build a garage.
Okay, so what's my budget?
$100,000 firm.
While the garage may not be happening, plenty is going on elsewhere as Hilary's team dives into demolishing the dated kitchen and both upper-level bathrooms. And as the past gets ripped from this house, half an hour away, David thinks he's found the house that sets this couple up perfectly for the future.
All right, so here we are.
It is a little far out.
At 5,000 square feet, this house is undeniably larger than theirs, allowing for 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, including a master bath. Adding to the move-in ready function are separate living and dining rooms and an open concept kitchen and family room combination. Not to mention a teen space and an attached garage, all sitting on a quiet lot in a beautiful, though not as central neighborhood.
Come on in.
Wow, it's very tasteful. It's not my taste, but it's tasteful.
I was feeling good.
Well, you know.
Now I'm not feeling so good. Over here you have your formal dining room area.
It's a little cut off from the kitchen, isn't it, David?
Do you have this option in your house?
No.
Then I've added something to your life. Let's go see that kitchen.
This is wonderful.
It's a little traditional.
I think, Valerie, this is the connection that you're looking for.
If I liked the style, I'd be in love with it.
This house is listed at $650,000. Listen, if this house was in your neighborhood, it would not be $659,000.
The distance may pose a problem.
There's a reason why we have same neighborhood on the list.
I understand that.
Okay, so you asked for a garage. Here's where we ran into environmental issues. So, they have a maximum allowance for impermeable surfaces on a lot. You've maxed it out with the house that's on your lot. The moment we build something here, it's another impermeable area. The rain will fall off, it will find its way into that area, and that's what they do not want. So we can't do it.
It's a big disappointment for me.
I'm not completely sold on this being a really good thing to do when I have a budget that sounds like a lot, but there's plenty to do inside as well. Your master bedroom.
Whoa.
So,
Wow.
oh, look at you. Don't cry. It's construction. Come and look. This is your new bathroom.
Oh, I'm happy. That's wonderful.
So the way I did that, you had the two closets.
Oh, I remember well.
So that's all demolished.
Yeah, where are my closets?
I know. I'm going to improve your dressing room so you can both share it.
That's not gonna work.
No, this is my room. It's not just a closet, it's where I can go in and sit. I have a chase.
And I know to stay out of it.
Okay,
He
okay.
needs his master closet.
I want a big walk-in closet. Period.
That's really ramping up the budget big time.
You're gonna have
If
to
it's
figure
that,
it out.
if that's so important
Work your
to
magic.
you, I give up. I'll come up with something else. Thank you, guys.
All right.
Hilary's team are diving into the task of updating and relocating the plumbing and electrical in both the kitchen and the master bath. In the master bedroom, Sam's beloved walk-in closet begins to take shape, while in the guest bathroom, fixtures start to go in. And while the progress on the home front is undeniable, not far away, David is taking great strides of his own with the discovery of a home that just might have the mix of location and function needed to pique Val's interest.
So, how do we feel about this location?
Location's great, David.
It is. As long as it has a garage, we're good.
Oh, wait till you see the garage. Come on.
Okay?
This house is a 3,500 square foot modern masterpiece located only a few blocks from their current home and features 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, including a master bath. Checking off even more of their lengthy list are separate living and dining rooms, an open concept kitchen and family room combination, and a finished basement with a dedicated laundry room, a teen space, and access to the all-important attached garage.
Come on in.
Wow.
Does it feel modern?
It's very modern.
Valerie, your office space.
Office with a fireplace?
Why not?
Wow.
Look at all the storage you've got.
I love it.
Not bad, huh, Sam?
This is fantastic. I don't know if Hilary would be able to come up with this.
Let's go. And here you have the kitchen, dining room, or family room, however you want to set it up, combination.
Wow.
It's beautiful, but
It's modern. This is what you wanted.
well, it's not my modern.
This house is listed at $750,000.
It's above our price range, David.
Yeah.
Big modern houses are big modern dollars.
And that's a concern.
Across the bedroom, fixtures are finally being installed in the master bath, and tiling begins. While down in the kitchen, flooring goes down, custom cabinetry is installed, and countertops arrive. And while Hilary's vision for this house begins to take on its final form, David's big plans for this family's relocation have yet to find traction with Val.
We have a very competent real estate person in David.
A little choppy.
But it's done choppy.
I think David can do a lot of things, but he can't work miracles.
The walk-in closet for both of you.
Oh, can we get our clothes in this?
It may be a little bit of a stretch.
Sam's pulling for David. David can show us the Taj Mahal, but it's not gonna match what Hilary is doing in our house right now.
It's got the garage that Hilary's probably not going to give you.
Okay, I know.
With the closet set, the focus shifts to finishing the rest of their ambitious scope. But as her team rounds the final curve, Hilary is more than happy with their results. But she's not the only one feeling confident, because not far away, David also thinks he's found space that can finally connect with both halves of this conflicted couple.
Neighborhood, what do you think?
It's a little far outside.
Look what you get. I mean, it's a beautiful house. You're both gonna like it.
Okay.
With 4,000 square feet of move-in ready space, this house is built for family function and features 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, including a master bath. Additionally, this beautiful house boasts an open concept main floor, a spacious office for Val, a large bonus room for the teens, and a gorgeous garage for Sam, all on a tree-lined lot just blocks from their current home.
Wow, David, you really have outdone yourself. I think this may be it.
Okay, let's see the rest of the house.
How do you feel about it?
It's pretty nice. I can't lie. I really like it.
Okay, formal dining room right here.
Good.
And this is in addition to the eating kitchen.
Very nice.
Any issues so far?
Not so far.
All right. From the dining room, you flow into the kitchen family room area.
This is fantastic.
I really like the white cabinets, the
Good.
marble.
The master bath.
Oh,
Oh, my goodness.
I mean, it's perfect setup for you guys to get ready in the morning.
I'm gonna give you the batting 1,000 right now.
See?
Right now, why you think it's gonna end soon?
I'm hoping.
Let's go. His house is listed at $700,000. Just a little over your budget, but that's a negotiable amount.
I think it's a great house.
Hello, hello.
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 Ready? Steady? Here we go.
Yes.
And now, let's start with the kitchen.
This is gorgeous.
Loads and loads of counter space.
Oh,
Loads and loads of storage.
So much storage.
Wow.
So it's not a big change, but it's enough of a change.
This is fantastic.
There never used to be a door on the bathroom.
No.
Well, now there is. You push, and that's
Oh, that's
how
so
easy
simple.
that is. Let's move on.
All right. Oh my goodness. This is lovely.
The toilet has been moved, and it made this work so much better.
I love the flooring. I love everything about it.
Good. All right, I like it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, my goodness.
This is lovely.
It still feels very spacious. Both of you win on this. This is a fantastic space. Sam.
Wow.
This is phenomenal.
It is.
Now, the reason I'm saying this is for both of you is because you'll be so happy to not hear him talking about I have nowhere to put my clothes.
He certainly can't say
I can't
that
say
anymore.
that anymore. Very nice.
All right. I think Dave is in trouble, but we'll see how that works out.
Oh my goodness. Where did this space come from?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I stole a little bit from the other bathroom.
Oh.
I stole a little bit from your bedroom.
Okay.
And this is what you ended up with.
Oh,
It,
I really am speechless. I finally get a tub.
You do.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $575,000. With an increased renovation budget of $100,000, the new estimated value of their home is $700,000. That increases the value of their house by $125,000.
If you want the move-in ready house, you can afford it. Time to decide. Decision made?
Yes.
Yes.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to listed.
Yes.
Brilliant.
I'm astounded.
I can't say enough about this house. It came down to something you couldn't give us.
I cannot believe it. The
Why?
garage.